I have in Samsung dishwasher model #D.W. 80J3020S. It leaves water at the bottom of the unit after wash cycle, and it flashes error auto and heavy. I replaced the main PCB assembly and the assembly case break, but the problem came back. Any suggestions?
Hi, my name is LLB, your expert assisting you today. Responses might be delayed, please be patient.
Okay.
I understand you're having problems with your dishwasher not draining all the water out or leaving water in the bottom of the unit after the cycle is finished. This means there is too much water in the dishwasher. This is often related to a drain issue. Inspect the dishwasher's drain connection at the sink. Check the drain hose. Run water in the sink that the dishwasher is connected to. Clean the drain, filter, and sump in the tub. Auto and heavy lights indicate an overfill has occurred or the flow sensor in the case break is defective. You mentioned having already replaced the case break and the main board, so this could possibly be a situation where the sink is backfilling water to the dishwasher because the drain hose does not have a high-end loop. Check out this video from Samsung to explain how to go about checking the unit. https://u2.b/grqv4herfpo.
Thanks. I will check it out.
Okay, great, take care.
Hi, I checked everything and cleaned the overfill hose. It was some gunk in there. I put everything back together and ran diagnostics on the first test. The turbidity value failed. What causes the turbidity to fail?
The sensor operates on the principle that when light is passed through a sample of water, the amount of light transmitted through the sample is dependent on the amount of soil in the water. As the soil level increases, the amount of transmitted light decreases. The turbidity sensor measures the amount of transmitted light to determine the turbidity of the wash water. These turbidity measurements are supplied to the dishwasher controller, which makes decisions on how long to wash in all the cycles. These decisions are made based on a comparison between clean water measurements, taken at the beginning of the wash cycle, and the wash water turbidity measurement taken at the end of each wash cycle. By measuring the turbidity of the wash water, the dishwasher can conserve energy on lightly soiled loads by only washing as long as necessary. This will result in energy savings for the consumer. The turbidity sensor is reliant on contacts the same as a micro switch. Operates on 5 VDC, so you can verify the board is sending that voltage. The board is good. These contacts might be no good. It's not uncommon to need to replace the turbidity or ECS sensor on Samsung dishwashers that have it.
I removed the turbidity sensor and wiped the debris off the sensor with a paper towel. I reinstalled that, and I ran the test again and it passed. All diagnostics tests were good. I ran a quick wash and it completed successfully. Thanks for the advice. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome, take care.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.